How to fix Facebook professional mode request pending. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Facebook professional mode request is still pending. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Facebook account, and if you just go to your profile section from the top left corner and scroll down over here and click on the three dot icon from the profile itself, and just click on turn off professional mode and click on continue. As you can see that my professional mode is showing on my Facebook account, but if you won't be able to see your professional mode in the Facebook account, simply come back to the home screen in the Facebook account and click on the hamburger icon from the top right corner, and over here just simply scroll down and click on help and support. Click on help center, and over here you will be able to see the option called get feedbacks under the about support section. Just simply tap on it, and over here just simply explain that you won't be able to see your professional mode in your Facebook account, and just simply go ahead and submit this particular problem. And after that the Facebook creator team or support team will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding solving your problem that you're facing regarding your Facebook professional mode not showing in your account. So this is basically how you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.